guys, I know that I promised you that I'm going to do another update about the Facebook shop ads. Some people might say, Konstantinos, we don't care about Facebook ads and stuff, stop doing videos like that. Nobody said it, by the way. If you don't like it, just skip.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I need to put more content instead of conversion ads. There are other things that are happening also on the platform. Sorry.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
So, here we are having a situation that, as you know, basically, Soteria, I'm really bored to say anything. Just put an explanation from a previous video so that they can understand what we are talking about, okay? Cool.
Flashback.
Now, what are the shop ads? The shop ads are when you're having a shop within Facebook or Instagram, and Facebook wants you to push traffic there in order to actually convert there instead of going to your own store. It's working like a catalog, and it's having inside all of your products. I'm not going to teach you how to do a shop because of the results that you are going to see here, but this doesn't mean that this is not going to be a thing that is going to improve and later is going to be better. And we know that because of the loss of data, because with what happened on iOS, Facebook is trying to keep more and more people within the platform to finish everything in order to be able to track better what is the final outcome.
End of flashback.
Okay, now that you have seen the explanation, we are in the phase that we have spent almost the 1 million, as you can see over here. Only 30k is left. Actually, this campaign finishes in 3 days. So they send another message, and we're going to expand it for another 2 months. Let me tell you what I see so far over here, and I might do 1 or 2 separate videos based on some things that I'm watching, which are a little bit disturbing. First of all, I can see that through all of this situation, the initiated checkouts over here are 42k and the purchases are 13k. So if we do 42 divided by 13, it means that we get a 32% conversion rate. This site, when we're doing Facebook ad, it has 50 to 60% conversion rate. So I believe that the conversion rate, because of the shop, is lower. Another thing that I'm pointing out here, which is something that we said also in the previous video, is that the shop conversions that are happening within the shop now increased in comparison to the website sales. This is good because it means that the algorithm is doing better. The cost per purchase, comparing to what we see in this account, is very high. I can tell you that it's double or even triple of what we see on this other account. So I don't feel very good about the cost per purchase on this other account. And of course the ROAS. For some period, the return on ad spend has actually increased to 0.42. Now I can see in the last days that it's doing even worse, and it actually has decreased on 0.36. It's doing even worse in terms of conversion, return on ad spend, and whatever from what it used to do with the previous budget. And another thing, which I'm going to do a separate video about because it's really annoying, is this. How is it possible to have a potential reach in this audience of 120 million people, and in the maximum lifetime to have 6.53 frequency when we just reached 14 million people, and limited learning? It's a broad targeting campaign. How is it limited learning? How? Why? Learning. How? How is it limited? Why? Learning. Why? How? I really don't get it. Okay, and here we have 14 million people. Of course, I'm going to do another video about the potential reach and explaining some things about it, but this is crazy, having 6.53. And the answer from Facebook is that we are targeting people again and again. If we think that they're going to convert, this is why the frequency is high. Yes, guys, but here we spent $1 million and we're targeting 150 million people, and we just reached 12 million, which means that we reached around 9 or 10.
This is the worst.
So if this is not disturbing or problematic, then I am the crazy guy over here. Last thing that I want to point out is that for the next 2 months, they're going to give me budget that I can use on my own, doing more campaigns or more ad sets instead of one, as long as they're shop ads, which is going to be very good. Because now we're going to see if the consolidation here is the problem, if the shop ads, whatever. I'm going to do another video, most probably in 2 months. In 2 months also, I'm getting married, so most probably you're going to see this video on October, after the whole promotion is going to end and everything. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent. I will see you in future videos.